Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Capital One Business Banking for store funding, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Capital One Business Banking for store funding, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Capital One Business Banking website. Log into your business banking account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to sign up by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, locate the Account Services section in the main menu. Click on Manage Users to view current account access levels. Select the option to add a user or edit existing user depending on your needs. Enter the new user's email address and desired access level for store funding. Ensure you provide clear instructions on the user's roles and responsibilities. After entering all necessary information, click Submit to save your changes. You will receive a confirmation prompt indicating that the user has been added. Notify the new user to check their email for an authorization link. Instruct them to follow the link to complete their account setup. Once they complete the setup, they'll be able to access the business funding features. For additional security, use two-factor authentication if prompted. Review user permissions periodically to ensure continued compliance. Finally, check your account regularly for any unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.